YouTube friends, I am Shailesh Tripathi. Please subscribe and like my channel. Shraddha Tripathi Craft is easy. So today's topic is how to make a LED torch with the help of both plastic board. Part 2. The recap of part 1.
So first we have cut it from the lower side and the upper side. Then I have rolled this so that it only this cap can be fit inside. So the structure of the LED torch is ready. Now I have done that.
Taping.
I have done the taping and then I have made a hole here of the size of the switch. Now we are starting the part 2. You can have some decorating materials also with you. I have taken these stickers to stick it outside. You can have another things as well. So can we start the part 2? We will start. We have to put the battery with the connector inside so that this wire should be outside from the hole that we had made. Then we have to put this wire also inside of the LED bulb. See, and we have to do like this. Now both the wires are outside of the battery as well as the of the bulb. Then we have to make the wire of the switch also together so that it would be the connection. The red wire should be with the red color wire and the black should be with the black color wire. So can we start connecting all the three? Are you ready? Connecting the wires all together. My mother has connected the battery and the bulb wires together, so it is lightning. Now we have to connect the wire of the switch as well together. Now you can put the tape as well, so it could not be again wire out. Okay, you can add the tape as well. Half ready. See, we have to tape it different, red with red and black with black, so that it could not be fused. Now we have to put the switch inside the torch. See, your LED torch is ready. See, now you can decorate it with the stickers or other decorating materials.
Stickers.
Okay. Sticking the stickers. You can have other decorating materials with you also. You have to